So you have crypto, but you don't want to trade because of the risk involved, and you still want to make money with your crypto, then you should watch this video to the end. In this video, I'll be showing you the different ways you can earn passive income with your crypto even without trading. Before I continue, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market. And I also make videos on how to make money online. So if you love content on these topics, then you should subscribe to my YouTube channel now and like this video. Now, as you all know, Binance is an app that has been helping a lot of people, to make money with trading. But through Binance Earn, you can now make passive income without trading. You can do this through staking, lending, or savings, or depositing your crypto into a DeFi service. Now, I'll be showing you how to do all of this in this video. Now, to get started with Binance Earn, on the Binance app homepage, you'll see Binance Earn. So you scroll down, you see Binance Earn, any crypto made simple, and then you tap on it. So once you come here, you scroll down to the bottom of the screen where you can see savings. If you scroll, you see locked staking, Launchpool. If you still scroll down, you see BNB Vault, ETH 2.0 staking. So I'm going to show you how to earn passive income from all of this. So first, we are going to talk about savings. Now you can see benefits from competitive interest rate, stake and earn popular cryptocurrencies from BTC to BNB and more. So I'm going to click on view more here, down here. So as you can see under savings, we have flexible and we have locked. I'm going to show you how to use this one by one. Now for flexible savings allows you to earn interest on your crypto and you can redeem your interest at any time. And that is why it is called flexible. You can redeem your interest anytime. So you can see you have different coins you can stake, you can save here. You have TKO, BTC, BUSD, USDT, 1 inch, AAV, and you have so many. So let me take the first one for example now. TKO. The estimated annual yield is 3.34%. If you go down, BTC is 0.59%, BUSD 1.48%, and so on. Actually, the annual yield for flexible savings is very, very low because it is flexible, because you can redeem your interest anytime. But if you are, by the time you check other ones like locked savings and activities and locked staking, you can see that those ones, they have higher interest rate. I'm going to show you all of those. So let's say, for example, you want to use this flexible savings. You're going to click on subscribe here. And then you enter the quantity of TKO you want to save. So let's say, for example, I have 10 TKO in my wallet. I'll just enter 10. As you can see, I don't have that in my wallet. But let's say, for example, you enter the amount and then you click this box. Then you see I have read and agreed Binance Savings Service Agreement. Then you click on confirm purchase, and by that you subscribe to the flexible savings. So that's just a simple way, and every day you'll be receiving interest rate on your savings. Every day you'll be receiving interest rate on your savings. The next one is locked savings. Let me come here. Locked savings. Now, for locked savings, you get better interest rates, and you lock your savings for a fixed amount of days, a fixed number of days, ranging from 7 to 90 days. So if you know that you won't need your crypto for a certain period of time, then you can lock your crypto here for higher interest rate. Now, if you look at these ones I have here, you can see under locked savings, you have BTC, Cake, Link, FUN, USDT, BUSD, and so on. Now, let's check their interest rate. For BTC, you have 7%. You can see this one is quite high. For Cake, you have 20%. This one too is quite high. For Link, you have 4%. For FUN, you have 45%. For USDT, you have 4%. So let's say, for example, I want to save my money using locked savings. So I'm going to just look for the one that is available. As you can see, the BTC is not available because the subscribe button is not yellow, so it's not available. So let me choose the next one, Cake, 50, which is for 15 days and 20%. So I'm going to click on subscribe. And then here you will see the information or details about the subscription. Then you can see lot size, 1 cake, individual max on with 10,000 lot. That means 10,000 cakes that you can subscribe. That's the maximum you can subscribe. Interest per lot, you're going to get 0.0082 cake per 1 cake you stake or you subscribe. Then the value date, you start getting your fee. If I stake now, which today is 20, then I'm going to start getting my interest from on the 21st. That means 1 day after staking. Then the redemption date, I'm going to get my interest, everything back on the 5th of August. That's after 15 days. Then I'm going to enter the amount of cake I want to stake here. So let's say I want to stake 10 cake. So I'm going to enter 10 here. And then you can see the expected interest. After everything, I'm going to get 0.08 cake. Then total cost 10. Then just click here and then click on confirm purchase. I can't click on confirm purchase now because I don't have cake in my wallet. So that's how you can earn passive income from logged savings. Another one under logged savings is activities. As you can see beside there, you have activities. Now for activities, this is just like logged savings, but they are only available from time to time, which means you need to be very quick to subscribe to them, and they offer higher interest rates. Now if you look at these ones are not always available. For example, these are the ones that are currently running now. There is no activity available for now. If I click on this display available only, then you can see there is no activity available for now. But let's check the ones that are currently running. So if you see, for example, look at the first one is BEL, that's the name of the coin. For 15 days, you're going to get 18% annual interest. The next one is ARPA. For 15 days, you get 16%. Then you can see this one 15%, 20%, 30%. All these ones, they offer higher interest rates. So these are different ways you can earn passive income by saving your crypto on Binance. The next one we are going to move to is logged staking. So let me go back. Here you can see we talked about savings first. Then the next one is logged staking, where you see start staking with only 10 USDT worth of assets and reap higher rewards and additional benefits. So I'm going to just click on view more here. So under logged staking, this is where you can stake your coins for a period ranging from 7 to 90 days and you earn higher rewards. This also offers higher rewards. Now you can see the first one you have INJ and the annual interest rate is 33%. You can stake for 15 days or 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. And the next one you have GRT. You can also stake for 30 days, 60 days and 90 days, and they have various interest rates. This one is 13%. Clay, the next one, Clay, you have 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, and the annual interest rate for 30 days is 6%. So you can see they all have different interest rates. So you can just choose the one you want to stake, and then you go stake. For example, let's say I want to stake my INJ now for 15 days, which I'm going to get 33%. I'll just click on stake now. Once I click on stake now, I'm going to enter the amount of INJ I want to stake there. So let's say I want to stake like 10 INJ. Then from there, it will show you the information about everything. The minimum is 1 INJ and the maximum is 50 INJ. Then the stake date, which is today's date I'm staking. Then the value date is when I'll start collecting my interest. You start collecting your interest 24 hours after you've staked. Then the interest end date will be on the 4th of August. Then redemption date is on the 6th of August. So on the 6th of August, that's when I will redeem all my interest. So that's how you can stake your crypto under the logged staking. There are other different coins you can stake here: GRT, Clay, Sand, and so on. The next one is DeFi staking. You can see it beside the logged staking. DeFi staking. This is where you can also stake your coins into some DeFi service to earn interest rate. As you can see, the first one you have USDT, you have BUSD, you have USDC, you have BNB, you have XXP, you have Link. There are some that are not available and there are some that are available. The ones that are available are the ones on top, where you can see USDT stake now, BUSD stake now, USDC stake now. The others are quite not available for now. This one is available. XVS stake now is available. So it's not all the coins that are always available. So let's say, for example, I want to stake my coin for this USDT too. I'll just click on USDT, enter the amount of USDT I want to stake here. Then you can see the minimum is 0.0001 and the maximum is 40,000 USDT. Then you see the info about everything down here. So we'll move to the next one. The next one is Launchpool. Let me come back here. So we've talked about savings, we talked about logged staking. So the next one is Launchpool. Now Launchpool, you can see stake your crypto and earn attractive returns in the form of new tokens. So let me click on view more here. So when you click on view more now, let me tell you something about Launchpool. Now Launchpool is where you can stake your BNB or BUSD or any other coin to get a share of a new token that will be launched on Binance, and you can redeem your rewards anytime. Now let's say, for example, a coin is about to be launched on Binance and they've listed it on Launchpool. This is where you can come and stake some of your coins like BNB and BUSD to get that coin for free. Now let's take, for example, actually for now, at the time of recording this video, there is no coin under Launchpool that is ongoing now. As you can see, you have completed. So it shows that these are the coins that have been completed before. These are the ones that have been on Launchpool before and they are already completed. They are no more giving them for free. But if it's that there's one ongoing now, you see instead of completed, you see ongoing. So there's none ongoing right now. But let's take a look at the ones that have been completed to show you how it looks like. So for the example, the latest one that was done was Clayton. So for this Clayton, you have BNB pool, stake BNB and earn Clay, and you also have stake BUSD and earn Clay. So for this one, you can either stake your BNB or your BUSD. So let's say, for example, you want to stake your BNB, you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you just scroll down, and then here by this place, you're going to see stake BNB, and then you tap on stake BNB and enter the amount of BNB you want to stake, and then under here you see your rewards. So you can see when this thing was ongoing, this was the reward I was able to get. I was able to get 0.4285 Clay. So that's what I was able to get. So this is how you can also get free coins on Binance. I also made a video on how to get free coins on Binance. I'll put the link under the description of this video. So after Launchpool, the next one we're going to talk about is BNB Vault. So if you come down here, you see BNB Vault and combined returns on your BNB, leverage the best assets of Launchpool savings and DeFi staking. So let me click on view more. Now on that BNB Vault is where you can stake your BNB only. You can only stake BNB to get reward from savings, DeFi staking and Launchpool all together. So let's say, for example, you want to stake your BNB here. All you have to do is just click on stake. Once you click on stake, you enter the amount of BNB you want to stake here. And then once you enter the amount, let's say I want to stake just one, then just click on I have read and I have agreed to Binance Savings and Service Agreement. Then click on confirm. So once you click on, you can see stake confirmed. Just click on done. So let me go back and show you how you get your rewards on that BNB Vault. So you can see I've already staked one BNB on that BNB Vault. Now as you can see, if you come down here, these are the rewards I've gotten so far since I started staking on BNB Vault. I've gotten 0.0015 BNB so far, and I've gotten Alice 0.13 Alice, 4.4 ATA, and 7.2 TLM. So these are the various rewards I've been getting so far. So also, if you start staking on that BNB Vault, after 24 hours, you start receiving rewards from savings, from DeFi staking, and from Launchpool all together. Now, these are the different ways you can earn passive income on the Binance, on Binance app. Now, out of all these ways, which one is the best? Or because I'm very sure some people will ask, okay, which one do you advise me to do? Actually, for me, I would say you should do both locked savings and BNB Vault. Locked savings actually offer higher interest rate, while BNB Vault allows you to get rewards from savings, DeFi staking, and Launchpool all together. So if you can divide your asset or your crypto into 2 or into 3 or anyhow you want to do it, and put some in BNB Vault, put some in locked savings. So these are the different ways you can earn passive income on Binance. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with someone. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.